Hey guys, it's time for another Man-Child Challenge! Today, Joe has challenged Man-Child to drink a glass of milk. So, today, we're going to have a glass of Man-Child made milk. Now, it's a little different from other milk, but it's still awesome. So first, M. Little bit of mustard. First ingredient in our milk. Gotta go big with it. There we go. Got our mustard for M. And then the next one is M-I. So we need a couple of ice cubes. After that, we have M-I-L. And what's better than a little bit of alcohol? I'm not supposed to have this. But anyway. Let's see, what is this? Schnapps. For our final ingredient, M-I-L-K, milk, we have cake. Ooh, this is my favorite part of milk. So we can get some good pieces of cake in there. Alright. Now for all milk, you gotta add a little bit of water. You know, kind of thins it out a little bit. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Now that, my friends, is a glass of milk. Oh, it's so good. Oh, oh yeah. Man-Child! Oh, that's so good. I think I might make another glass of milk. Haha.